Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. So this one, that is about x plus 1 to the power of 2. Later that we need to expand this one. So I will put number 2 go in here. So we have the formula. So I will put number 2 go in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. The next one that is about x squared over number 2. The next one that is about x. And then I will put about c. So number 2 divided by number 2 we have number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.